Riu ari mathaa manini tu matigarite igongona ria kwihitithio kwa President muthure Dagitari William Ruto ritafanio mehaririria nimarikite na gikiro kiria kibatie kiharo-ini kinene gia Kasarani kuria igongona riri rigatafanirio muthenya wa ruciu. Boto cia ugiteri cia thenyumu maini oro udumwe na riera-ini ni matirihite mehaririria mao oro udumwe na aini aria magakorwo magikenia a Kenya muthenya wa ruciu. Riu kiharo giki gigitigwo kihenetie kiri na ugemu wa igongona riri. Akiaria handu-ini ha kamiti iria yathugunditwo niguo kuhaririria maundu mothe ma igongona riri, Dagitari Kibisho augite kamiti ino niiganiire na mehaririria maya.
We are happy that the Assumption of Office Committee has been able to marshal this scale of preparedness within 7 days, and we are hopeful that we will have a very colourful ceremony tomorrow.
Jukua iria gakorwo ikaritwo ni President uria rehera wathani-ini Uhuru Kenyatta na President muthure Dagitari William Ruto hamwe na ageni matiganite igakorwo iri na ageni 2,500.
We are expecting 60,000 people here. The 60,000 people require no invitation cards. It's open to the public. However, at the main dais, like I said, we have 2,500 slots that we will be inviting the VIPs. Like I said again, we are expecting a lot of VVIPs in excess now of 20 heads of states from across Africa and across the world.
Dagitari Kibisho ikiuga kiharo giki gikahingurwo thaa 10 cia rucini niguo a Kenya makorwo maikarite thi gugikinyeria thaa 2 cia rucini niguo na igongona riri rikorwo rikiambiriria gugikinyeria thaa 4:30 cia rucini.
Open the stadium at 4 to the public, because allowing 60,000 people who you must do security screening requires a bit of time, and expect that everyone is seated and waiting by 8 a.m. for the program that we have adjusted to start at 10:30 a.m. There will be a bit of military action, there will be a bit of judiciary action, and there will be a bit of after judiciary action which must happen before 2 p.m. Then the rest can go on beyond 2 p.m.
President muthure Dagitari William Ruto arikia kwihitithio riu agakorwo ari president wa gatano wa bururi wa Kenya. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwirori.